So you're thinking about moving to Woodstock, Georgia. Today we are at Owenby, which is an active adult community by Windsong Properties. It is just northeast, about 3 miles from the downtown area of Woodstock, and it's headed in the direction of Alpharetta, Georgia, Roswell, Georgia, which are both some great happening places as well. I'm Shonna Sherrill. My team and I service all of Woodstock and the surrounding cities in Cherokee County. So before we go and take a look at one of the models, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel so you get notified whenever we have a new tour come up. So we are here at the Ashford Plan, and these are Craftsman style homes with a rocking chair front porch, literally in this case. This is the model home. Okay, as we enter the home, into the foyer, we have a bedroom on the right. And of course, this could be a study if desired or an office. It does have a closet. We have a full bath. Now the floors are LVP, and that is standard in these homes. It is the sales office now, but that would be where your garage is. And speaking of the garage, there are little alley streets where people can come into their garages and they're not on the front of the home. So we're moving down the hallway. There is the laundry room is going to be to your left. To your right is a study, office, or it could be another bedroom. Now, what you'll love about this home is all of the open space. Kitchen standard is granite countertops, stainless appliances, very nice walk-in pantry, gas cooktop, which is a chef's preference in the kitchen. Then as we come into this large living area, you have got a fireplace with gas logs, and then your dining area. Now all of these homes are a ranch style, one level living. There is an upstairs bonus room area that can be finished off. The nice thing about having one level is your owner suite is on the main level, very easy access. So nice large owner suite. You can fit all the furniture you need to in here. There's sitting area, great lighting in here, and light filled with lots of windows. And as we go into the primary bathroom, on this side we have the water closet. It is dual vanity, but as you can see, they're split, so there's plenty of space for two people to be in here at the same time. The shower, there's no stairs, no steps into the shower, so it's just a walk-in shower, frameless glass door. Nice size, also has a bench. And then an absolutely amazing closet. Now this one has a closet system. One of the options here at Owenby is to have a covered patio area. Now, this one has screen, it's enclosed. That is an option. Otherwise, it's just going to be an open patio area. But this is a great space for hanging out in the evenings and having your coffee in the mornings and your whatever you drink in the afternoons. But each of these homes has a small courtyard, and the courtyard has an aluminum fence around it. And then there's gates on either side. Of course, being in a community like this, your front and common areas are maintained by the HOA, but the inside of the courtyard is something that you take care of. So that is your primary floor, your main level. Now we're going to go take a look upstairs and see what they've done there. So the stairs are kind of hidden, tucked away on the side. Wouldn't even know they were there. Now all of the homes are going to have some storage space and some unfinished storage space in the attic. There's also your furnace, water heater. So, good bit of space up here for storage. Now the bonus room here has been crafted as a bedroom, twin bed sitting area. There is a closet and a full bath in this one. Come check out this bathroom. So when you have guests over or grandchildren or whoever wants to come and visit, there's a space for them. So that concludes our tour of the Ashford Plan at Owenby. Again, this is an active adult community, and they do have, they're about 2/3 sold out. So you need to hurry if you're interested in this community. It's a great place, and Windsong Properties is a very good builder in our area and very easy to work with. They have some incentives going right now, so take advantage of that. And again, be sure that you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours.